Hello, everyone, and welcome to Hello Word. I'm Alex, and I'm thrilled to have you here today as we dive into another fun and useful word in the English language. Our word of the day is agree. Agree is a verb, and it means to have the same opinion as someone else. It's a simple but powerful word that helps us connect with others in conversations and express when we share common thoughts or feelings. Let's start with some examples of how agree is used in everyday language. If someone says, "I think pizza is the best food," and you feel the same way, you can respond, "I agree with you." Or if you're making plans with a friend and they suggest meeting at 3 p.m., you can say, "I agree, 3 p.m. works perfectly." It's a great way to show that you're on the same page with someone. There are a few helpful synonyms for agree that you can use to add variety to your language. One synonym is concur. For example, I concur with your suggestion to take a break. Another synonym is accept, as in, I accept your reasoning about why we should change our plans. You could also use consent, which works in formal situations like, I consent to the proposed schedule. These words help you express agreement in slightly different contexts. On the flip side, there are antonyms for agree that show disagreement. One is disagree, which is the most direct opposite. For instance, I have to disagree with your opinion on that movie. Another antonym is reject, as in, I reject the idea of staying up all night to work. You could also use oppose, which is stronger and formal, like, I oppose the decision to raise fees. In everyday life, you'll find many situations where agree is useful. Whether you're discussing plans, giving feedback, or even resolving conflicts, this word helps you show mutual understanding. For example, if you're at work and a colleague says, let's finish this project by Friday, you might respond, I agree, that's a good deadline. Or in a classroom setting, if your teacher says, practice makes perfect, you could chime in, I completely agree with that. Here are a few more sentences to demonstrate how you can use agree. We all agree that teamwork is essential for success. Do you agree that this is the best solution? I can't agree with you more on this matter. Each of these examples shows the versatility of this word in different contexts. Before we wrap up, let's quickly summarize. Today, we explored the verb agree, which means to share the same opinion as someone else. We talked about synonyms like concur, accept, and consent, and antonyms like disagree, reject, and oppose. We also looked at how agree fits into everyday conversations and expressions. Thank you so much for listening to today's episode of Hello Word. If you enjoyed learning about agree, please subscribe to the podcast and leave us a review. Your support helps others discover the show and join our growing community of English learners. Before you go, I have a challenge for you. Try creating your own sentence using agree and share it as a comment. I'd love to see what you come up with. Until next time, keep practicing and exploring the wonderful world of words. Bye for now.